Wow, it's surging south across the highway. Surging right in front. It's going to go right across that road right in front of us. Tornado on the ground.
Oh yes.
Tornado on the ground.
There we are. It's starting to go.
Tornado on the ground.
It's starting to go. Yes, it's coming.
Yeah, that's a tornado. Tornado about 2 miles west of Benjamin, Texas. Time is 6:53. 6:53. Tornado on the ground just west of Benjamin. Wow. Telephone poles in the way a little bit. Wow, multiple vortex tornado. Wow. Yeah, it's heading south though. It's heading south. We're good. I think we're good.
We're good. We're all right.
Yeah.
We're all right. We're okay.
Yeah, because it's heading south. Wow, that is like a half a mile away. Not even. It's going to go across the highway right in front of us. It's got it. Very weak tornado right now. We have to head back to the town and head further south. Unless there's a county road around here, which I don't think there is. This tornado's about to cross the highway. Wow. No condensation funnel yet.
Almost there.
Weak tornado.
Now try and drop it. Here we go.
This is amazing. This is not the strongest tornado I've seen, but definitely the closest tornado I believe. That Greyhound bus is going to drive right into that tornado. There's a Greyhound bus. It's going to go right into that tornado. Funnel. He put on Pizza Man. Wow, that tornado going right across the highway. That bus stopped, I believe. I hope. My God. Tornado going across the highway. Now, watch out for spin-ups. Let's go south, you guys. We gotta go south. You guys, we gotta go.